Alright, so this is a quick update on a software I've been building. This is was originally designed so I could look at two C scans side by side and see the difference. This takes thickness values that are just the C scan thickness values. There's no A scan data associated with this. But I could take these two scans and I can manipulate my data and kind of square up the hydroform indexes or whatever, and align two different C scans to each other. So I put in points here, and I align the points. I could do single points or multiple points, but I want to be able to rotate my data. Over here on the right, you could see this is the difference between the two scans. This is pretty interesting on this one. This is about 3 weeks of separation between these first two scans here on the left, and there was a 60 thousandths growth in those 3 weeks in that one area. That was pretty interesting to find. But yeah, so here I'm extracting U1A data. This is a technique I've been using for a while now. I send out the U1A to Claude AI, and it will extract the information for me. So there you can see there's the U1A values. Usually I use this to create a vessel rollout. In this case, we're going to do some API evaluations on it. But I will be adding the vessel rollout into here. So yeah, we have some different selectors here. We can do a box, we can do a circle, and we can also do a trace. If we go to this little histogram here, I can trace pits based on the upper and lower value. So this can give us areas and counts and stuff like that. But yeah, let's see. I think we're going to do a API fitness for service examination here. I got the three types, general metal loss, pitting, and local metal loss. So here, that area passed the level 1 assessment, but I'll move the box a little bit and it will fail. Let's see. Should fail. Yep, there we go. So there, the vessel failed. We could do, this is the level 2 fitness for service, general metal loss. It failed. We have a button. You could show all the math. But yeah, so I'm going to show here, starting a report. So we'll just make a test report. This is creating a HTML report, and it's going to do all the same things, show all the math, give you the values that were used, and it also pops out an Excel sheet with the colored cells and the rulers and everything. For a shape, it's going to pop out, only the cells within the shape. Same with the circle. But yeah, so we built out that report. I think this is the indication side. I haven't really spent a lot of time on this. But yeah, I want to change the way we report on indications. It's a little weak industry-wide. So I want to have a really robust indication reporting side of this. But yeah, we'll get a cluster, and we'll group some indications here. And you get a little C-scan, and I do the little side profiles that are, I guess, somewhat helpful. And yeah, so we'll add this to the report. I also had to rebuild this. I got to get access to the A-scan data, and because we're manipulating the data, I got to make a way to track the original A-scan to the new location of the pixel. But yeah, so here's the Excel sheets that pops out. And there's the shaped one. And yeah, but really the nice part here is the HTML report. I usually don't like HTML reports, but there's a nice functionality in here where I can click this interactive button, and it turns into a C-scan, and we got this little cursor. So you can go and look at the values. The client can evaluate the values themselves. You also have the option to right-click here and drag boxes and get statistics. But yeah, so it's like they have their own little evaluation software. But yeah, that's what I've been working on. Like I said, I had to rebuild it. I want to get the vessel rollout in here based off the U1A, do some nozzle placements, and kind of finish this off a little bit when I get some time. But yeah, that's where we're at.